creepy noise again. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see a sound that I made, guys, go to my YouTube channel. I made like an epic sound. You guys want to hear some of it? Here's it.